Integrations are a huge part of our enterprise environments today. This is a feature that is desired everywhere, and especially within Cisco's products. It's present. Cisco's products have a lot of integration power that's available to us, especially amongst their own platforms. Let's discuss some of these over the next few minutes. Both the ASA and the Firepower code gives us the capability to utilize REST APIs for custom integrations. These particular APIs are based more on the HTTP requests than anything and are great for information sharing. Programmers can utilize requests, such as GET and PUT requests, to help them gain context into events or do whatever they need the integrated products to do. REST APIs are very flexible and are becoming used more and more these days. I also want to mention PXGrid really quickly, as this is a technology that allows for a lot of Cisco's integrations to function. It's called Platform Exchange Grid and is used in just about all of their security products today to allow for various context sharing and functionality integrations. Identity Services Engine is the center point of PXGrid and brokers all of the connections and information going in and out of the products. An example of PXGrid integration for Firepower code is for something called Rapid Threat Containment. Once it's set up and tuned, you can actually create policy based on user information or dynamically shut hosts down based on information gathered from the devices and threats detected. This is a really cool integration that's not only present in Firepower, but in StealthWatch as well. Firepower can also integrate with Cisco Threat Defense, which is a cloud offering that helps detect, investigate, analyze, and respond to threats using the information that's gathered from many different products and sources. Another big use case and integration that's used quite often in both ASA and Firepower platforms is for authentication. These platforms can use Cisco ISE for authentication for not only device administration, but also for authenticating VPN users terminating their connections. In the Cisco Core Security, Network Security with Cisco Firepower course, and the Cisco Core Security, Network Security with Cisco ASA course, you will learn how to integrate the respective devices with remote authentication and use Cisco ISE to manage different users. Using this, the Firepower and the ASA send all of the requests to ISE for authentication. This capability also extends to two-factor or alternative authentication mechanisms like Cisco Duo and RSA Secure ID. Both products have these types of abilities. Alright, that is everything that I wanted to teach you in this module. We talked about how you can use Cisco's safe architecture and other CVDs to confidently design and secure your networks. Then, we talked about the differences in firewalls and IPSs and how you can use them to protect your network. But if there's one thing that I want you to remember from this module, it's that no network is identical, so there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Use the CVDs and SAFE framework to help implement defense in depth as you design your network to your specific use case. And in the next module, we will talk about how you can use NetFlow to gain visibility into the traffic that is traversing your network.